So what is up, guys? Today we are here to so my recordings no. Today we are here to organize our disk stuff. Yes, because my computer Windows got virus and which result what and it result some crashes like 0 to C 21 0021A error. I searched in the internet, no results, so I have to just flash a new software, Windows 10. Yes, I was previously using Windows 8. Windows 10 has a very professional looking thing, but today we are there to organize because and we have local disk C, which is 36.9 gigs. Yes, I don't use a solid state drive, I use a hard drive. That's why booting takes so shit slow. And yes, now we have to organize all of this. And yeah, so in this now we're gonna organize this stuff. Yes, you want to see there are lots of things like many things. Yeah, many things. There are many things we have to organize. So this is time lapse you're gonna see of me organizing my disk stuff. So first of all, you have to make a separate folder called programs for your programs and recordings for your recordings, and yes, white people, man. That's how I really organize my stuff. But sometimes you have to like capitalize like this. So these are some basic stuff you're gonna cover, and so without further ado, let's get started. And also resolution must be crappy because I haven't installed my graphics driver. So yeah, so still again, let's get started. So this is not a gaming video, and I'm gonna show you my gaming stuff, and there are some recordings, and these are some courses. So first of all, first thing I'm gonna just think is no overthinking, and there should be separate projects for images, memories, and I'm not gonna show you my image because that's going to be a special one. So we have all this disk, and I have this laptop disk. I have many devices, even I can't count it with my hands. Sorry, I'm not flexing. And now let's start. So recordings. I'm here to make the main software disk. So I'm just gonna blur up my stuff. Here's some stuff I'm just gonna blur. Okay. So I'm just gonna blur up, and I will show you the timeline. Make some spamming folders. I was just joking. No. So by the way, it took me a lot of time to complete this stupid process, which took me hours and hours. And yes, this is some time lapse. I hope you guys find it useful, and tune it till the end because you will see my specs or pecs, whatever. So I found a tip. Shh, no one. No. I'm not gonna tell you now. I'm gonna tell you now. So I found a tip. That tip is, I'm shivering because it's cold. Yes. Go to view. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just saying. So this tip, no one's gonna tell you how to organize your files. So you most of the time your sort by is like this, and yes, you have to select all those things like, oh okay, I got this, and now I have to select all of these. No, don't do that. I'm super sorry. And the resolution must be crappy because I haven't downloaded the graphics driver. So this is how you do. If you sort it, all the things come in place instead of wasting all your time. finally organized the files. It took me long of hours, because that isn't a very nice English, but still, yes. And now the resolution looks nice, not that crappier. Now we installed, yes, graphics driver. Yes, look at this, GeForce Experience. I'm a pro gamer, that's why you get experience. Now let me just open my rig, whatever. So this is my rig. In this picture it looks pretty nice, but in reality, you may not want to know. Okay, so now I didn't download it. It was extracted from the CD, like the driver CD, you know, that comes with the graphics card. Yeah, I installed that. So it's like 2014's graphics card, sorry, GeForce Experience, which is much more better than the newest ones. And before I show you my organization file, I'm thanking you because watching till this end. So this is what I became. So I'm gonna put this another snapshot over here about the space free and the organization. So you see this, so cool. Programs, good. Program files, yes. YT programs, that's called for YouTube. Courses, blah blah blah. YouTube channels. I don't have channels, but still I want to organize like that. And PC files. So the main takeaway from this video is you have to organize your files, because if you don't organize your files, your space will be like way up here over all of your drives. So now in my local disk C, it's like 8.77 gigs free. It's good because I'm not going to put any files in my local disk C. So, and yes, that's the final thing I'm going to say. Yeah, hope you guys like, share, subscribe this video. Comment down below if you hate my video. Dislike if you didn't really like the video. And this is my, the Windows new setup. It was pretty hard, so if you want more of these tips, you know what to do. And peace out.